Okay, we're back to look at the house again. Probably nobody working because it is Sunday. Turns out it's also Father's Day. Who knew? I don't know how these people keep up. I don't know what day it is. I don't know what month it is. It's June, by the way. But here's the house. The roof is kind of almost, it's on, but it's got some cleaning up to do. They still got to paint it. Wow. There's nobody in here, but the radio's on. It's really loud. We got the walls are smoothed out. There's the foreman. Hello. Ah, there we go. Hello. There's my hole for the air conditioner. There's a hole for a window. So, yeah, they got the walls all smoothed out. They'll do the outside later. They don't have the CR walls done yet, but so it's coming along. This is our OSHA approved scaffolding. Yeah, they don't have any of the cement on the CR walls. That will come. They're working. Uh-oh. The work is going. What you doing? John David's working today, huh? Is he the foreman? He's in charge, right? Okay. Just checking everything.
Ang tawag ka lang daw sa kabit ang hindi nalagit lawas talagang kuan ay manamo pa igo-igo kita mo. Daw mo na. Siguro dito tigil ano mo? 29 inches ko. 29 inches. Di ba?
Centimeters.
Sa aircon niya pa ang tatay centimeters ke. Wala na pala yung 29 centimeter.
Yeah.
29 centimeter. 29.
Yeah, inches would be giant. Inches.
29,
yeah.
29. Like that.
The aircon.
We don't know what he's building, but he's working. Okay, I didn't notice before, but he does have some of the wiring actually already in. That's for the refrigerator. Quite frankly, it looks pretty lightweight to me. But you can see where they bust out the channel in the brick and cement over it instead of putting the conduit down in the brick. But anyway, there's a spool of wire up there. It's going to come, this sun is bad. It's going to come over here to the breaker panel. I think they're only going to have 4 or 5 breakers, but there's not going to be very many circuits here. He's got wire in the boxes here, so when he goes to pull the electrical wire, he's got a pull wire in there instead of a pull string, but whatever works. That's the hole and the outlet for the window unit. Outlet back here is going to be like behind the bed for whatever And I'm gonna tell him to put an outlet over here below the breaker box. This is a light switch. He said this one I thought was going to be another outlet. He says that is going to be a light switch. So over here I'm going to tell him to put just a breaker just hanging right here just underneath the electrical box, because the TV and stuff's probably going here. I was trying to get in here and see if we could get any better lighting, but the sun is working against us again today. This morning wasn't any better. Let me see. Yeah, here you can see how they do it almost an inch thick, the cement. So this stuff here is just, sand, like a freaking sand castle. But they put the cement inside it. They put an inch on both sides. They're starting here. That part up there looks all right. At least they're playing good music today, unless YouTube says I have to take the music out. Then you won't know.
Ano mga paway-wayon ng aswang ka, mangiret mo.
Uy, hindi pa. Karon. Ora ko pa gani, dama kay nanagay pang butano pang kay kaon na yung panganuan do pagpakakat. Sige to, double on ba ito? Amo ron na tabo.